So now let's work on the size and fix some issues. So the thing, I'm gonna go to the size, and first of all I'm gonna start with this one, which is the other name. Okay, in the small screen or less than 900, it should be like up a little bit. Okay, so you can go to the size which has the maximum with 900, and then you're gonna select the div which is called other name, and then you're gonna transform and then translate this y like -10 pixel. Okay, and this is fine. Okay, so it's in the middle. The other thing is like if we go to a smaller screen, so let me open the responsive tab. So if I go like smaller, and this is gonna create a bit of problem. Okay, as you see, this is gonna create a problem, especially when you have like this one, and we want it to be like fine with all the width. Okay, so let me just like pick the parts that is fine, which is like, okay, so we need to like make changes. Let me just see. Okay, exactly, maybe like 410. Okay, for like as a safe backup, because I don't think we can have a larger text. Okay, so I feel like, you know what, let me just make it 400. No, maybe 405, like that. Let me take that, and let's see if we have anyone. We don't have it, so let me add another one right here, which is gonna be 405 pixel, and we're gonna select the friendship, and we're gonna make the flex direction to be column. Okay, so now they are all gonna be column, but we don't want that. I don't want it this way. I want this one to stay over here. Okay, no matter what it is, and then the other two are gonna be displayed flex. So if we go back to the friendship, we're gonna take everything, the message and the follow and following, and we're gonna put them inside the div. Okay, which is called flex. We created that before, which is only displaying flex, align item center, and then the gap like 5 pixels. Okay, so everything is fine. So let me click add friend. This is how it's gonna look. Also, let me refresh. Okay, everything stays alright. Like for example, let me go right here, and we're gonna see how it looks when you accept it. So confirm. Let me refresh, and this is how it's gonna look when you are friends. Okay, so it looks fine. Maybe the button is a bit large, so let me select that. So let's make it like 34 pixel. Okay, I feel like this is better. Yeah, this is fine for me. So now I go to the large screen. Let me close that. I want to move it a bit. Okay, so I can go and create like a new media query. Like the minimum width is the opposite, it's gonna be more than 900 pixel, and then we're gonna go to the friendship div, and then we're gonna make it transform, and then translate it from the x like -2 rem. So let me see. Okay, like that. So I feel like this is fine. So now let me just see the difference. As you see, this is how it's gonna look right here, which is fantastic in the smallest screen possible. And as you go up, everything's still fine. Okay, let me change that. Okay, this is actually very nice. Okay, so we've done everything right here. We still had an issue that we didn't fix, so I just noticed that. So let me go back to my account actually, or my profile, where I have this problem. We click edit detail. Now we have like this is overflowing. Okay, and that's a problem. So let me just get the class name, and just see, probably because we had, what is it, this one. It's actually not this one. Where is it? This one. Okay, we had the height to be like in viewport height. I don't want that, so let me just take that. Let me search for it. Okay, I actually don't remember where I've done it. So okay, so this is in the profile, and we are in the profile. Let me go to the components and see in the intro, probably right here. Okay, so we have it here. So I can go and let me change the height like 500 pixel, or maybe more, 50, yeah, 57, something like that. So let me cancel. So now you can scroll and everything gonna be fine. And if I have any error in the future, we're gonna also go back to them and fix them. So this is part of the web development. Sometimes you just discover errors after doing another thing. Okay, so this is all of it for the CSS issues and the side issues. So now we're gonna work on the friends right here. Okay.